Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech coming back to you guys with another video on the on the AT&T TV. This is AT&T new box, new streaming service. Instead of having DirecTV, you get like all the functionality of DirecTV, but you get it in this box. So the box is just pretty much plain, nothing on the sides or anything else like that, but just the label on the side here and just the AT&T symbol. So it comes with sticker, like tape up here that I just peel off, but I normally just pick this up here and pretty much it just peels off. Let's take this and peels off. Let's do it like that. I peeled it off at first, but actually it comes in like this here. So when you take that off, there's a pull tab to pull it up. There's nothing around here or the box, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the pull tab. So it got like these little prongs that pull up on there, and then it just say kick back, welcome to the best seat in the house from AT&T. So that's what you get inside the box. You get some safety and care guides in there. Actually, you get a remote control, and this remote control is supposed to have Google Assistance, if you can see there. It should be like a little comparison to Xfinity Stream Box. So that's one of the things I wanted to look at there, to see the difference between having the Stream Box and having this right here. Let me see here, because Xfinity Stream Box, you pretty much get one for free, but Xfinity, actually AT&T have this box here. They have everything. Let me actually take this apart, take this off. Let's see if I can take this off. Where's the pill tab? I thought there was a pill tab somewhere. Actually, oh, okay. You're gonna have to pull from the side here. And I actually just like to pull the bag and pull it out this way. And actually just, well, I like to do that because I like to keep wrappers and stuff where it's at. A little OCD a little bit about it. But this is the box here. It's about big as my hand. You can see this is what comes in the back part of it. You know, pretty much your Ethernet, you know, digital audio, then your HDMI, USB Type-C, and power. So I actually was told that you could play games on this too, but I'm actually going to be doing a setup pretty soon on here to show you how to set up, but you'll see that. But I just wanted to show you what's all around. You got your reset button. It's basically right there. Reset. Pretty much your little analog with your power button, and then they have you know, that AT&T there. Then they have, you know, network and power buttons. So basically those are not buttons, but you know, to see what the network and power is on. It indicates that. Pretty much it's pretty light. It probably feel about 3 or 4 pounds, probably 5 pounds, probably less than that on that. So that's how big it is. Let's put this to the side, and also let's open up the remote control. And we're gonna get deep inside here also. I just wanted to get this part out because I think it should be just probably like power supply and HDMI cord or something like that in there. I like to keep everything just simple, so if anything goes wrong, I could take it back. I could just put it in there. I did pick this up from an AT&T store. They do have them in stock, but that is your Google Assistant button, just like on Xfinity. You have your voice button, but I think by having this with a, you know, Google Assistant probably on there, I think it should do better than that. I mean, if they integrate this the right way, I think it's pretty awesome to have it on it. So I'm gonna be doing a setup on that, but I just basically wanted to give you guys on an unboxing just what comes in a box for AT&T TV. This is something new in tech, so I wanted to see because you can stream, and it'd be pretty awesome. I think you can, like, if you wanted to like take this to your family member's house, I think as long as you have access to internet, I think you should be able to use this anywhere you go. And that'll even be awesome for like if you're at the hotel and using this. That'd be pretty awesome with this. Actually have here remote control. That's what it looked like in the back. The AT&T symbol put that to the side. We'll see what we get in the box here. All right, so we open that. You get the power cord, and then have direct TV. Even though the service is through, it's not through direct TV, but you get your channels through direct TV. And then I wanted you guys to see what the power supply I have for this box. So you want to pause and see what the wattage and everything is. You can see that there. Come with a regular plug, no 3-prong thing, just a regular plug. And also it's almost like a laptop type of plug right there. You can see there. Put that to the side because I'm gonna set that up. And it comes with an HDMI cord. I'm pretty sure, yeah. Comes with an HDMI cord. It's pretty awesome. So, I have a bunch of these, so I'm not going to use this one. So I'm going to put that to the side and put this back in here. Put this down. Oh, I actually want to do one more thing. Let's put this to the side. But actually, one thing I do like is, you know, the symbol on this and kick back, enjoy, and watch it. The best seat in the house. That's actually pretty cool. But I just wanted to say here, you know, what you have in the remote control. And that's what all comes in the box. Your power supplies, the remote control, and this streaming box. Like I said before, you guys leave a comment below. Did you pick up this? Do you feel like it's a great deal? So like if you have AT&T mobile service, you do get a great deal on discounting on the prices of it. I'm gonna try and leave the prices and link and also the website to get to this in the link below. So if you want to actually purchase this, you can. So that's one of the things I wanted to do. But guys, you let me know your comments. You want to see more things like this on video. I'm sorry I haven't made a video for a while. I've just been doing a lot of things with working and, you know, have a kid, you know, stuff like that. So you guys let me know, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. What you think about the new streaming box. I think it's a really cool idea. I think this is actually get people, instead of having direct TV, you don't want that pole all on your wall. I mean, on your outside of your house, or that big antenna on the side of the house. I think this would be a really good aspect to like people who want to get this AT&T streaming box and don't want to have direct TV. You love direct TV, but you don't want to have that capability to have that big satellite dish on there. And I think this is a big go on that. And I'm going to do a comparison to my flex box into this, because that's one thing I'm gonna look at. Please leave okay, but another thing, I'm just out of it right now, but thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and also more videos will be coming.